Hello friends, welcome to my 90s on YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to delete our Instagram account permanently. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Okay, now let's start our video. Now I open my Instagram application. I already log into my account. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, you want to know your account username and password. If you can log into your account, you can delete it permanently. Now let's start. Click on this icon on top right corner and go to settings. After, click on this help option. Go to help center option. Now the Instagram help center page is open my Chrome web browser. This is mobile view. We want to enable desktop mode. So click on this three dots icon on top right corner and you can enable this desktop site. Okay, now zoom into the page. After, you can see here manage account option. Click on it. Now you can see here delete your account option. Click on it. Okay, now I zoom in this page. You can see here how do I delete my Instagram account. Click on it. This is the account delete instructions. Scroll down this page. You can see here to request the permanent deletion of your account. The first instruction have our account deletion link. Click on this delete your account option. You can open it to your Instagram account or your web browser. Now I click on my web browser. Okay, now we want to log into our Instagram account. If you already log into your Instagram account on your web browser, you don't want to log in again. Now I type my email and password and log into my account. Okay, after the login, you can see the deletion page. This is our account deletion page. Now we want to select our account deletion reason. You can click on this option after select your reason. Now I select something else. After, we want to retype our account password. Now I type my account password. Okay, after, click on this delete button. Now our account is going to deletion mode. It is deleted permanently on this date. If you change your mind on this deletion date, you can relog your account and you can cancel this deletion mode. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.